Hey, this is David. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the thermal fuse on your Samsung dryer. If you're experiencing problems like the dryer not starting, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more straightforward appliance repair guides. Now let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a Flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your electric dryer or turn the breaker off. The thermal fuse is the most common failure in a dryer. It will open up when the temperature in the drum is too hot. This is usually caused by a restricted vent. In order to check this part, we will need to remove the front door panel and the drum. Here's how we will do it. Pop the top up. You can use your putty knife if you want and lean it back against the wall if you can. Remove the 3 screws on top and the 3 in the front. Remove the lint screen. Lift up on the front panel and remove the wire connector to the door switch. Set the front panel with the door aside. Disconnect the moisture sensor plug, then the 3 screws that hold the blower housing cover on. Remove the 4 screws that hold the front bulkhead on. Lift up and out of the slots and set it aside. You should be able to remove the drum after releasing the belt. This would be a great time to clean out the bottom of the dryer base and the blower housing. On the back side of the blower housing, close to where the vent meets the blower housing, there are 2 parts. One is the thermal fuse and the other is the thermistor. We will be using our multimeter to check for continuity at the thermal fuse. If there is continuity, the fuse is good. If not, the fuse is bad and will need to be replaced. You should thoroughly check the vent inside the dryer cabinet and the vent going outside. More than likely, they need to be cleaned out. We found the thermal fuse was open and needed to be replaced. Here's how to do it. Remove the 2 wires along with the 2 screws, then remove the old fuse. Here's the old thermal fuse, and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Position the new fuse in place and secure it with the 2 screws, then reattach the 2 wires. Set the drum in place and attach the belt. Put the front bulkhead in place and secure with the 4 screws. Put the blower housing on, insert the lint screen, and reach over and connect that moisture sensor plug. You can now put the door assembly on, connecting the door switch and adding the 3 screws to the front, and then the 3 screws to the top. Position the top back into place. Reconnect the control panel, tilt it back into place, and secure it with the 2 screws. Done and done. Don't forget to plug your dryer in and turn it on to make sure everything works. Great job replacing the thermal fuse on your Samsung electric dryer. Let us know how your repair went in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you need a replacement part, remember that AppliancePartsPros.com has got you covered. Just grab your model number and head over to place your order. Most arrive in just a few days. Thanks for relying on us for your repair needs, and I'll see you next time.